Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by the title, today I'm going to be showing you how I got my curls from this to this using the new CURLSMITH line. So CURLSMITH has launched their new Shine recipe, and this comes with 5 new products. All of these products are dermatologically tested, they're fragrance free, and they're designed to suit even the most sensitive of scalps. And all 5 products also have a travel size so that you can try them out without having to get the full size. What I'm going to do for this video is walk you through all 5 of the new products, and I'm going to be showing you how I use them in my routine. Also, remember that I'll have my affiliate link down below with a discount code for you. And real quick, as I wet my hair before I shampoo, I want to say thank you to CURLSMITH for sponsoring this video. All right, let's get started. So after wetting my hair, I'm first starting off with the new fragrance-free Shine Shampoo. This is a gentle, low poo cleanser. What that means is that this gentle cleanser is going to get rid of dirt and product buildup without stripping your hair of its natural moisture. It's going to get rid of those particles that tend to dull hair's natural shine. And this is safe for color-treated hair. This cleanser can be used once a week if you're someone who only has one wash day a week, but if you're someone who has frequent washes, you can also use this for every wash day as well. This shampoo is suitable for all curl textures as well as straight hair and uses a blend of hops, jasmine, and lemon peel to boost shine. After rinsing out the shampoo, I went in with the new Shine conditioner. This is a lightweight, everyday rinse out conditioner that is going to boost shine and make your hair soft and silky without weighing it down. Let me tell you, this conditioner has so much slip. I had not washed my hair in about a week, probably over a week, and I was expecting it to take me forever to detangle, and I could not believe how I just slid through my tangles. I do believe this has become very quickly my new favorite conditioner of all time. On top of having amazing slip, this conditioner is also going to make your hair smooth and soft. It's going to enhance your hair's vibrancy and shine. It's very rich and lightweight, and it's dermatologically tested and suitable for all hair textures as well as straight hair. It's made with shea butter, which is going to give you ultimate moisture. It also has muru butter, which is going to increase your moisture retention and help to seal your cuticles. It's also made with a blend of hops, jasmine, and lemon peel, just like that shampoo that's going to help boost shine. So as you see, I was able to work through all of my tangles using just my fingers, but after I was done, I still went in and used my brush just to make sure that I had all of that conditioner evenly distributed, because for this routine, I am not going to be using a deep conditioner, so I just really wanted to make sure the conditioner was on there. So after I rinsed it, I went in with a little bit more conditioner and trained my curls and put them under a plastic cap while I finished in the shower, and then I rinsed my hair upside down, and then I re-wet plopped, and I have videos all about this, so I'll have those linked. And I re-wet plopped before I then went in with the stylers. Here I'm showing you how wet plopping works, and you see it's kind of like that viral bowl method where it's holding all of that watered down conditioner for me, and now I'm ready to style. So the first styler from the new Shine recipe line is the Shine Cream. This is a lightweight leave-in conditioner that is going to enhance your curl texture. It's going to be hydrating, and it makes it silky soft, smooth, and shiny. This leave-in not only enhances and helps clump waves and curls, but you can also use it for braids, twist outs, and other protective styles. After smoothing in that leave-in conditioner, I went in with my brush and brushed it through. I have been doing this lately, and it has just really been helping with definition and giving me that final shape that I like. Then I used some of that watered down conditioner and water mix that was still in my plastic cap just to really scrunch, and this really helps create clumps. So next up, I'm going to use the next styler out of the new Shine recipe line, and this is the new Shine Jelly with a level 6 medium hold. As you see, this is a runny gel, and it's almost like flaxseed. It's very lightweight. It's going to provide definition and shine with a flexible hold that's not going to weigh down your curls. Because it is a level 6 hold, it's going to provide minimal crunch. You can end right there, but because I do like extra hold, I then followed up with the new Shine Gel. This is a level 9 strong hold. It is going to provide long-lasting definition, humidity protection, frizz control, and shine. As you see, this is a thicker gel compared to that jelly, and it is going to give you extreme definition that is long-lasting and weather-resistant. After I was done applying all my stylers, I scrunched out the excess water and product, then went in and did my baby hair with that level 9 shine gel. It is so great for doing hairstyles and laying your baby hair. I'm letting y'all know that now. And then I went in and diffused. I like to use the high speed with medium temperature. I alternate with cool using the cool shot button. I lift my roots to help with definition, and then shaking your roots halfway through will also help with volume and speed up the process. I then went in when my hair was about 85% dry, and I used that shine jelly with the level 6 hold to separate curls, and I just love the way it worked to separate my curls. And as you see, my hair is super shiny. Now, this is normally where I would go in with my oil and scrunch with an oil for shine, but because I want you guys to see the shine that you get from this shine recipe line, I didn't use any type of oil or anything. So here I've taken off the diffuser and I'm just finishing up drying my roots. This is also going to help give you volume and help to release any cast that was formed. And now I am picking out my roots because I just love the way that picking my roots gives me even more volume. And then I am done, you guys. This is it. So these are my results. Like I said, my hair is just so shiny and I didn't use any type of oils or anything. And as you see, I have lots of movement and I have really good volume for day 1, 2. So let me know down below what you guys think of my results. And I wanted you guys to see this is my hair a couple hours later. The shine is still there. If anything, I think it might have got shinier. So let me know down below what you guys think about these results. I'll have links down below for all the products used, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.